I think anybody can do anything at any age. It's just being given the opportunity.
I have osteoporosis, and when I was going to the clinic they said, start Pilates, it will help.
It's a group of great women getting together and doing stuff, having fun, getting out and just realising you can do loads. First of all, we're building up core strength as well as flexibility. So you hold yourself differently when you're standing, sitting, you correct your injuries, so you strengthen. Taking that onto the paddleboarding, again, it's really great core strength. You can just move more easily.
I've walked a lot. I've done a lot of walk. I've done a lot of holidays that include exercise. But Pilates is never a paddleboard. I'd be the craziest person for doing it because I don't swim. I'm the most ungainly person when you do exercise. But 2 years on, I suppose I'm beginning to be a tiny bit intermediate.
It was a simple slip on the ice and I broke my leg in 2 places. Being a strong person, doing the Pilates, because that's given me such strength anyway, has helped me really cope with this broken leg. It's the only place that I can come where I can relax. I've got nothing in my head, just Pilates, and I can enjoy it.
Good, both arms straight. Lovely.
I think the mobility has been a lot better. I'm a lot more supple than I was.
Age means nothing, it's just a number, and you're as young as you feel.